Good day everyone. We are here to solve the problem and give our reason on the situation. Where when I is 6 years older than Cosme, in 10 years the sum of their age will be 50. So we will find their present age, sit back, listen and be ready to learn today. We will be using Polya's problem solving strategy. So the first step is to understand the problem. We state the problem. Vena is currently 6 years older than Cosme. In 10 years, the sum of their age will be 50. Find their present age. Known information. Vena's age is 6 years more than Cosme's age. In 10 years, the sum of their age will be 50. Missing information. None. The problem seems complete. Extraneous information. None. All information seems relevant. Goal. Determine the present age of Vena and Cosme. And now, we'll moving on second step, which is the devise a plan where the solvers use a variety of techniques to solve a problem. Listen carefully guys because we will be discussing how to find the current age of Cosme and Vena. We could represent the problem algebraically using variables to represent Vena's and Cosme age. Let's indicate Cosme age as C years. Then Vena's age will be W plus 6 years. In 10 years, Cosme age will be C plus 10 and Vena age will be W plus 6 plus 10 or equivalent to W plus 16. According to the problem, the sum of the age in 10 years will be 50. So we can write the equation C plus 10 plus W plus 16 equals 50.
So the third step, guys, is the caring about the plan. Where once you have devised the plan, you must carry it out by work carefully. Keep an accurate and neat record of all the attempts in solving their current ages. Since we do have the equation naman, let's solve or calculate the ages of Cosme and Vena. Now, we solve the equation we form in step 2, which is C plus 10 as Cosme's age, then added by W plus 16 as Vena's age all over the years. By the way guys, maong 16 na siya kay gi-add na to ang 10 years nga naka-indicate sa problem and also ang 6 years nga iyang pagkamagwang ni Cosme, right? So, mao na to siya. I-sum up ang pareha og mga signed and variables since na unknown variables which is ang C and W. So, iusa tanan guys by X na lang na. So, mao na to. 2 times 2X na siya since na plus sign sa tunga then plus 26 is equal to 50. Dayon, ato i-transfer si 26 sa side ni 50. So, igbalhin na to, mahimo siyang minus sign, right? Kay, gibalhin man na to. So, mao na siyang 2x equals 24. Then, para mawala ang x, guys, i-divide ta na siya into 2 since mauman ang iyang tupad. So, ang mahabilin is x is equal to 12. So therefore, Cosme's present age is 12 years old and the Vena's present age would be 12 plus 6 equals 18 years. So we are now here in the last step in Polya's problem solving strategy, which is the review, the solution. So i-check na to guys. The solution seems consistent with the fact of the problem. Cosme is indeed 6 years younger than Vena and in 10 years the sum of their age will be 50. The solution is interpreted in the context of the problem and it answers the question asked. This solution can be generalized to solve similar problems where the sum of age is given in the future and a relationship between age is provided.
Conclusion, by applying Polya's problem-solving strategy, We successfully determined the present ages of Winna and Cosme through understanding the problem, devising a plan, carrying out the plan, and reviewing the solution. We found that Cosme is currently 12 years old and Winna is 18 years old. This method not only helped us solve this specific problem, but also provided a framework that can be applied to similar problems in the future. So that's all guys. Thank you for listening and have a good day.